Welcome to 59 Bogart 315 Seigel Street in Brooklyn, where minimalist tones and modern design redefine quality student living. Only for you. Choose from vibrant non-ensuite apartments offering a spacious bed with clean sheets and soft pillows for cozy naps, and ample closet space to organize your style. Your rent already includes electricity, heat, water, gas, and high-speed Wi-Fi for ultimate convenience. Perks like weekly housekeeping and in-unit laundry facilities are available too. You can recharge at the gym, spread your social wings in the lounge area, bathe in some Starglow on the stunning rooftop, or chase the sun in the scenic backyard. Oh, and Pratt Institute and St. Joseph's University are just a quick drive away, so you'll always make it to class on time. With bus stops like Morgan Avenue and the subway at Morgan Avenue only minutes away, your Big Apple adventures are destined to be seamless. So, don't delay. Secure your stay at 59 Bogart 315 Seigel Street in Brooklyn via amberstudent.com today.